Invest in these 6 things for 3 months to put yourself years ahead. 1. Invest in yourself. You are your greatest asset. Spending time on self-improvement, both mentally, physically, and spiritually, isn't just important, it's essential. With personal growth comes improved self-esteem, fulfillment, and success. It's the first step on your journey to the top. 2. Invest in books. Knowledge is power, and books are the treasure chest. They offer insights, different perspectives, and life lessons that can transform how you see the world and your place in it. Embrace the habit of reading. It's like having a conversation with the best minds from the past and present. 3. Invest in friends. Our relationships shape our worldview, our emotions, and our aspirations. Surround yourself with positive, ambitious, loving people to uplift you. Make valuable connections and cherish each relationship. It's not about networking. It's about growing together. 4. Invest in courses and mentors. Work on your skills and never stop learning. Courses can provide new competencies, while mentors can guide you, share their experiences, and challenge you to do better. It's not a cost, it's a priceless investment. 5. Invest in experience. Experience is a teacher like no other. Go out and explore, take risks, fail, and learn. Those experiences, the happy and the painful,